There's a John Deere 892D. Could be a late 1980s machine. Just waiting for some scrap guy to buy it, I think. Can't say it shows extremely well with no track. I'm just gonna take a guess. I think this might be Drysdale's machine. There was a company called Drysdale. They did concrete demolition. DL, that might be it, but maybe not. Well, it's got the forestry shovel on it, so could be a bush machine. I'll bet a guy could get it for $6 or $8 grand. Oh, it's a gem. It had some work done in September 2008. Oh no, this was a bush machine too. It's inner 4 block, Frederick arm up in BC. Probably had another one. They robbed the track off it, band-aid another one together for a while.